Hey guys, so what are the cheapest countries to live in Europe? One of them I visited in my last travels. It's Bosnia. Yeah, Bosnia. The second one is, I would say, Serbia. And if you're not satisfied with these two, you can go down to, now it's called Northern Macedonia. All these countries, the rent is really cheap. Like I got not Airbnb, but I got on Booking.com for €5 per day, a whole apartment to live in. The food is cheap, the people are all nice, and yeah, you can drink, you can have fun for €5 per day. You will be more than good. So about €10 per day in each of these countries is enough to enjoy it. Follow my channel. Next time we'll talk more. If you like this, like, subscribe, and I can do a longer video if you want. Just tell me.